class. Today we will take a test on Africa.
Great, not the test on Africa. I don't want to take the test on Africa. I've got to do something to stop this test from happening. But how? I know. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. But first, I will ask my teacher if I can go to the bathroom. Excuse me, Miss Allison. Can I use the bathroom?
Okay, talking Tom, Legen 6.
But make it quick. You and everyone in this classroom has a test to take, so be in 5 minutes.
Ha! That dumb teacher thinks I am in the bathroom. Now it's my chance to pull the fire alarm, so that way I can put in the stupid test. There it is, the fire alarm. Now to put it and put the end to the stupid test. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hey, stop it right there. Talking Tom, Legend 6. What do you think you're doing?
I was just going to the bathroom.
Liar. It seems to me that you were trying to pull the fire alarm. That's it, mister. Come with me to my office. You're in big trouble.
Oh crap, I'm so screwed.
Talking Tom, Legend 6. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm? Why did you try to do that?
Well, Principal Daniel, I didn't want to take the test on Africa in class today, so I decided to stop the test from happening by pulling the fire alarm. That's why I tried to do it.
Talking Tom, Legend 6. You do realize that pulling the fire alarm without reason or stupid reason is illegal, right? Well, you could have been arrested if I didn't stop you from pulling the fire alarm. But since I stopped you from doing it, you better be lucky that I'm not calling the cops. But the next time I catch you trying to pull the fire alarm, then I calling the cops. Do you understand?
Yes, Principal Daniel, I understand.
But, besides, we only use the fire alarm for fire drills, and trying to pull the fire alarm, you will be suspended for 2 weeks. Go home now.
Talkie Tom Electric 6, I can't believe that you tried to pull the fire alarm at school today. You know doing that kind of action can get you arrested. You better be lucky you're not in jail. Since your principal stopped you for pulling the fire alarm, but still, for trying to pull the fire alarm at school today, you are grounded for 2 weeks. Now go to your room right now, and I will tell Angela the 8th about this when she gets home.
We don't feel like